Let's do a 2-page layout with 4 photos using only Christmas scraps. I'm Emilee, and you found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So I have Christmas photos, and I've pulled some paper scraps that are Christmas scraps. I picked 2 12 by 12 craft cardstock for the background. These photos were taken, we made a little Oreo cookie house. I have the product packaging here. This was a $5 kit that I picked up at Five Below. So I thought I could cut out this for the page title. And I want to use just scraps, and I thought it would be fun to pull out this box of miscellaneous Christmas related embellishments and scraps. There's just a wide variety of things in here, and I thought it would be nice just to use some stash items for this layout. At the bottom there's some nice photo mats. I'll need 4 of those. Looks like those are 4 by 6 mats, so I'll trim 1/4 inch off of 2 sides of my photos so that they'll fit there. This is just a random box that I have filled with lots of Christmas related fun things, and I use this for my December daily and also for Christmas pages. So let's see what we can find and use here. I like this little ho 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 tab, that's fun. These are pretty Christmas brads. You can use those for photo corners. I don't even mind if they don't have to match exactly. I think they'll be really cute just this way. And I love to use stash. First things first, let's cut our page title. Okay, next let's get our photos onto these mats. I took a picture of the supplies when we first set it out, and then a completed photo of the house, and then a couple of photos of us putting them together. Just 1/4 inch off of couple sides here. And those 4 by 6 photos will now fit perfectly on the 4 by 6 photo mats. I'm going to go ahead and adhere them all. Do this assembly line style. let's see, I'd need 16 brads to put a brad on all 4 corners, so let's count how many brads I got out. Okay, I only have 12 brads here, so I'll just pick 3 photos to feature. I think I'll do this one, and this one. This is a We Are Memory Keepers tool, and it's nice because it has the paper piercer, a nice cover, and then this is a tool that helps you close the brads or fold the brads. We'll do all the piercing first, and then we'll go through and do the brads. I'm just eyeballing it in each corner. You could measure it if you're a very precise person, but I don't do a lot of precision measurement with my scrapbooking because I find that I like the whimsical nature of just eyeballing things. When I try to make it perfectly aligned, then I'm always disappointed because something ends up being a little off. So I also like to work a little faster than what measuring precisely allows me to do. So that is just my choice and style. I admire lots of different approaches to scrapbooking for sure, but this just happens to be mine. I go through fits and starts where I'll use brads a ton on my pages, and then I'll go through periods of time where I don't use them at all. I think I am entering another phase where I'll use brads more again. I have a lot of them in my stash. They don't take much room, thankfully, but I've done some videos about ideas for using brads. I will link to that up in the card. If you have lots of brads and want to use more of them, we'll give you some ideas. Since this one doesn't have brads in the corners, I'll put traditional photo corners on this picture. It's just not going to look finished to me unless I have something in the corner of each photo. Then I want to use the Ho 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 tab on one of these. I think I'll put it on the side. Okay, now that the photos are matted and photo cornered, let's work on the base of the page. I've got all my photo scraps ready to go. And my page title. I'm thinking 2 photos per page, and it kind of shows the progression of putting it together. We got it out of the box, we're assembling, we're decorating, and there's the finished one. So I'll have room for a page title, and then I can do scraps, 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 scraps. All right, let's get busy. Just gonna set them out for now. are these cute gnomes. So I'll still have more scraps left over. You'll probably see these in another video soon. Let me get these adhered. Some of these scraps were given to me with my winter junk journal swap with my friend Renee. I will link to a video about that swap up in the card so you can check that out. It was a fun swap. We used a winter theme and just loved some of these scraps she sent. Are perfect for Christmas pages. Let's finish it off with some sequins. These are my Dollar Tree sequins in my Dollar Tree organizer. I have pretty red sequins, and I think I'll also use, don't have blue, but I think I'll use red and maybe some gold. Got this Nouveau Deluxe adhesive that I'm trying for the first time. It was recommended to me by my friend Abby. Thanks for the reco, Abby. I'm gonna give it a whirl. Keep on scrapping, everybody.